Imagine soaring through the sky, the wind beneath your wings, feeling the rush of freedom. It's nature's grand design, allowing birds to reign supreme in the skies. But as humans, we too have our machines that mimic these free spirits. What happens when these two forces, nature and machine, unintentionally meet? Would the plane come crashing down or continue on its journey? Hold on to that thought. We promise the answer will surprise you. It's a regular day. Air traffic controllers are busy ensuring safe travels. Pilots are preparing for their flights, and passengers are eager to reach their destinations. But lurking outside the airport perimeters, the avian kingdom is busy with its own routines. 1. Bird strikes. The common occurrence bird strikes, as aviation experts call them, are a lot more common than you might think. Every year, thousands of birds unintentionally find themselves in the path of an aircraft. It might sound alarming, but it's a reality of sharing the skies. 2. Immediate effects. When a bird makes contact with an engine, several things can happen. The immediate and most obvious is engine damage. Depending on the size and number of the birds, an engine might experience reduced power, vibrations, or in worst cases, it could shut down completely. Remember the famous miracle on the Hudson in 2009? Captain Chesley Sully Sillenberger safely landed a plane on the Hudson River after hitting a flock of geese. An emotional testament to human resilience and training when faced with unexpected challenges. 3. Modern engine design. Thankfully, the modern-day jet engines are built tough. Engineers have studied bird strikes for decades, and these engines are designed to endure them. In most instances, a plane's engine can digest, or to put it lightly, swallow smaller birds without much consequence. The engine's immense power and internal mechanics can break down and expel the bird remnants, allowing it to continue functioning. 4. The heroic pilots. Despite the robust engineering, it's the skill and expertise of the pilots that often play a pivotal role. Trained for diverse scenarios, including bird strikes, pilots quickly assess the situation and make split-second decisions to ensure passenger safety. Their dedication and courage are truly commendable. 5. Birds and airports. But isn't there something we can do for our feathered friends? Absolutely. Airports around the world have adopted various measures, from ultrasonic devices to trained falcons that keep other birds away, to even changing the habitat around airports to be less appealing to large flocks of birds. 6. A harmonious sky. As humans, we've learned a lot about sharing the skies harmoniously with birds. Through advanced technology, mindful engineering, and mutual respect for the avian wonders, the sky is vast enough for everyone. While the occasional encounter might lead to nail-biting moments, it's a powerful reminder of the beauty and unpredictability of nature. So, circling back to our cliffhanger, what does happen when a bird collides with a plane's engine? Most of the time, thanks to robust engineering and the skillful maneuvers of our pilots, the journey continues, reminding us of the delicate dance between man, machine, and nature. And as we sail through the clouds, it's always a good idea to appreciate both the genius of human engineering and the natural wonders sharing the sky with us. Thank you for joining us on this flight of curiosity. Keep looking up, and remember, there's always brilliance in understanding our world a little bit more each day. Safe travels, dear viewers.